Bonjour mes amis, Timothy and I are out here. We're going to try some gardening this spring. I don't do many gardening videos because we're not real great at it and we don't keep up with it too well, but I'm going to try again. So we're going to go with some potatoes in these pots here. So these pots are filled with moistened compost that's free from our local landfill, and it's pretty woody, but stuff does grow in it directly. We have friends that have filled acres of it in their backyard and they grow right in it. So we're going to go ahead and try it. The kohlrabi is planted in this stuff also. That's in a pot over there closer to the house. So we moistened it up pretty well, and I have some small red potatoes that I just kept from a bag we bought in the grocery store. You can see the eyes have started to grow. So we're going to plant them about 6 inches deep right in the middle of this pot. Let's go right in the middle with the eyes facing up. You can see how it's pretty moist. A little deeper. The suggested times to plant potatoes are between Valentine's Day and Easter. So basically the end of February or a few weeks before your last frost date in your area. So we'll go ahead and pack it down pretty well. This pot was catching rainwater near the shed, so it's really moist already. This next one is not quite as damp, so we'll add water to it when we're done. So we'll put this one again 6 inches deep with the eyes facing up. We'll find another spot to plant this third one. When the stalk gets about 8 inches tall, we'll put about 4 more inches of soil in here, and then when it grows taller we'll put more soil, and it causes layers of potatoes to grow outward. Your soil needs to be pretty light, so usually sand is added, but this stuff is already fluffy. I'm hoping it has enough nutrients in it for the potatoes to grow. And the harvest is really fun. My dad always has the grandkids go out there. They use rakes and little hand shovels, and it's just little red potatoes all over the place, and you keep finding them, and they're different ages, so some are tiny and some are large enough to eat, and it's really fun for kids to harvest potatoes. So hopefully this works. We'll keep you guys updated. So look out in a few weeks for a potato growing update. Well, take care. We'll see y'all on the next one. Au revoir.